Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all YouTube family and fitness freaks. So today I am going to show some basic no gym full body workout at home in 3 circuits. Circuit 1 is stretching and warm up because stretching and warm up is most important before workout. Second circuit is strength. Strength circuit we will do squats, push-ups and various variations of push-ups. And circuit 3 is abs because abs is very important workout. So let's start with workout. Before starting, I'll give you advice. Not go to gym. You can do home workout to watching my videos and watching other videos. So if you like the video, so please leave a like and subscribe for more. So let's start with the workout. Circuit 1. So let's start with circuit 1, stretching warm up plus cardio. 20 seconds of work and 10 seconds of rest. First exercise is hand rotation, clockwise and anti-clockwise. 20 seconds work. Ten seconds of rest. So be ready for the side rotation. So let's begin. Don't bend your upper body and straight your upper body and move as far as possible. 20 seconds work. Good. 10 seconds of rest. Be ready for the side logs. First rotate to your left, come back to original position, then rotate to your right, then back to original position. Legs a bit wide and hand like this. 20 seconds work. Good. Then 10 seconds of rest. Now we are moving to next exercise, standing crunches. Keep your core tight and touch your elbow to knee. 20 seconds work. Great going. Good. 10 seconds of rest. Let's move on to twisters. Start. Body straight, legs close, short jumps, move side to side. 20 seconds of work. Good, great going. Do not stop before 20 seconds. So 10 seconds of rest. The next exercise is butt kicks. Start. Simple jumping. Touch your leg to your butts for 20 seconds. 10 more seconds. Good, good, good. 10 seconds of rest. Next exercise is cross stretch. Start. Bend forward, trying to touching your right hand to your left foot and left hand to your right foot. 20 seconds of work. So 10 seconds of rest. So the final exercise of this circuit is jumping jacks. This is a full body warm-up exercise. This exercise really helps to perform next circuits, so do fast. 5 more seconds. Great going. Now circuit 1 is over. Relax for 30 seconds. Drink a sip of water. So our next circuit is strength. We will do push-ups, squats, squat jumps, push-up hold and some more exercise. So let's begin with first exercise, knee push-up. Keep your back straight. Ten more seconds, keep doing. Breathe normally. Then 10 seconds of rest. So moving to next exercise, squat jumps. This exercise helps to strengthen your quadriceps, hamstring, glutes. So do it properly. Then 10 seconds of rest. So we are moving to next exercise, normal push-up. If you are not able to do normal push-up, you can do knee push-up. Push-ups are the normal and basic exercise. It helps to improve your upper body strength. Then 10 seconds of rest. So next move is squat hold. Feet normally wide to the shoulder position. Hold for 20 seconds. Great endurance exercise and strength exercise to improve your quadriceps, glutes and hamstrings. Great going. Some more seconds. 10 seconds of rest. So our next exercise, it helps to improve your full upper body strength. If you are not able to do with push-up, you can do without push-up. 20 seconds. Then 10 seconds of rest. Feeling tired, don't worry. Get ready for diamond push-ups. Place your palm under the chest, making diamond. This exercise helps to improve your tricep strength. So do it properly. 20 seconds. Then 10 seconds of rest. Circuit complete. 2 circuit completes. So drink a sip of water. So we are moving to our last circuit is abs. Burn stomach fat and make abs at home. Do abs workout properly. First exercise is knee touch. Do as fast as possible. 20 seconds of work. Great going. Keep doing. Then 10 seconds of rest. Get in position to do Russian twists. Start. You can even hold a water bottle or dumbbell while doing the exercise. Keep the exercise performed properly. 20 seconds of work. Then 10 seconds of rest. Deep breathly and get ready for bicycle. Start. Keep your abs tight for 20 seconds. Then 10 seconds of rest. Do not sleep and breathe normally. Get ready in the position to knee to elbow plank. Five more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. relax and close your eyes into Shavasana. You can do the 10 minutes of no gym full body workout in your daily routine to improve your health and body structure. So, promise to yourself you can do 10 minutes daily routine to improve your body. So, take care, bye bye, and be safe. So friends, I hope you completed all the exercises, all the 3 circuits, because if you do 3 circuits completely, you will get better results in some few days or some few weeks. So I hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, so please leave a like and subscribe for more, and share with your friends and fitness freaks. And for more updates, subscribe my channel. So thank you so much. Stay tuned and be safe.